Good afternoon, Warriors. Today is Thursday, August 30th, 2018. Looking at a couple of homework assignments for this evening. First of all, in math, in the regular math, doing independent practice 1.1, pages 11 and 12, numbers 12 through 24. Make sure you're utilizing your journal when doing your homework. For honors math, they are doing independent practice 1.1 also, but you are not to do that before class. In science, branches of science, that is on your Chromebook. That is based off the notes that we did take in class today. Make sure you submit it, but you also need to turn it in. That's the same assignment for the honors class. All right, as far as social studies, you need to study your BIA key terms, all 9 terms. We have a quiz tomorrow. The terms include digital footprint, reputation, phishing, catfishing, privacy, complexity. We also added bullying today, and we also added bystander as well as upstander. Language arts, there is no homework. In literature, you need to read 20 to 30 minutes as well. You also, if you did not finish in class today, your Article of the Week worksheet over Titanic 2, that is due tomorrow when you get to class. Also, on a side note, due tomorrow is your weekly social studies extra credit if you have not yet done so for Mr. Canfield. That's going to be it for today. Have a great Thursday.